The insertion of a mathematical formulas, physics formulas, or the chemistry formulas in the online Google Forms or the Sheet, Google Slides, or the Doc are quite difficult, and this could be made easy with the help of the add-on that is Hypatia. Hypatia provides you a image format to insert in these different options. So today we are going to see how to insert a mathematical, physics, or the chemistry or any other formula in this Google Form, Google Sheets, Google Slides, or in the Google Documents with the help of the Hypatia. So firstly we have to go to our Gmail account. In this we can get this Google Form or all this option in this 9 dot, that is Google Apps option. So we can start Google Form by selecting this Google Form option. By selecting this Google Slide, we can start to the Google Slide. We had already started. So this is the Google Form in which we are going to insert a different formulas. Google Slide, this is Google Sheet, this is Google Slide, and this is Google Docs. So first most option is we have to insert the add-on, and for this inserting the add-on we have to go to this three dot option, that is to the more option, and here we are getting the option is add-ons. So in the search app, here we have to write this Hypatia create. We'll search for the Hypatia add-on, select this Hypatia create. Next we have to install this, and if we are going to install this from this Google Slide, Google Sheet, or Google Dot, from any option, this will be implement for your complete account. So click on the install option, continue. Here it will ask you for the permission, accept that all permission. Finally click on the allow option. This will install the add-on to your Chrome browser which is login with that particular account. Click on the done option. Now we will move back to our form. Now this Hypatia create is added. We can check with the help of this add-on option. Here we will get the option as Hypatia create. Now the question comes to the mind, how to create these formulas. So click on this Hypatia create option. First one is the insert or edit maths. Second one is the mini editor. Mini editor means this will give a editor to the right corner, and first one option is the insert edit maths. This will give you a editor for creation of a mathematical formulas or the physics formula or for the chemistry formula. The same editor is going to use for creation of all type of the formulas. In these, to the right side we are getting 18 is nothing but the font size, and this 100% is nothing but the size of the screen or the size of this particular formula which we are going to create. This T represent the text, and same at the bottom this round symbol shows the setting, and above this it is a T, which means that if you don't want to insert the mathematical formula, you can click on this T, that is it will change the textual mode. We'll see one by one. Here you are getting the x square. Click on this. This means that we are getting the square type formulas here. Square type, cube root formula, square root type formula. For example, if you are selecting this first one, so here we want to 4, and here 2 means the square root of 4. Next one is the we want to set another formula that is in the form of the numerator and denominator. We will delete this first one. To create anytime this Hypatia create is used to create a image type formula, and this will create one formula at a time. So we will see numerator and denominator formula just like x, and here we will put the y, xy. Suppose we want x square. In this case, click on this x square, and here we are getting this fifth one, that is the exponent formula. Click here. So x square. Same for this y, we want the cube. So click to the y, and here we will get this exponent formula, and here we can give the 3. Same type we can use for the trigonometry formulas, for the calculus, for the algebra, for the different symbols, that is for the inequalities, for the binary relations, binary operators, logical set relations. All this can be used with the by selecting this particular formula. Now, if we are creating this formula, now the questions comes to the mind, how we can take this particular formula to the Google form, to the Google Sheet, Google Drive, or to the Google Drive. Sorry, Google. It will not take to the Google Drive. We have to click on this create link option. When we click on this create link option, this will create a link for the formula which we had inserted from at the top. So the link successfully copied to the clipboard. Use insert image option at the URL, which means that if you have to insert this formula in this Google form, suppose first question we are giving the first question as a name of student, and next question we want to insert a MCQ for the student. So here what we have to do, we have to click on this insert option, image option. So here we have to give this by URL. In the by URL you have to paste the link. This means that this is giving you the image format, and click on the insert image. This will insert a image in your Google form. When we see the preview of this, we will get this x square divided by x cube. Similarly, we can use this images for the image format for giving the number of options. For the insertion of the this images or the formulas in the Excel sheet, we have to go to the insert option. In the insert option we have the image, and in the image we are getting the first option image in the cell, and second one is the image over cell. So we have to put the particular formula in the particular cell. So for that we have to select this image in a cell. If we have to put that formula over 2 to 3 cells, in that case we have to select this image over cells. Now we are going to put the particular formula in a particular cell, so for that we are going to select this image in cell option. Here also we have to select this by URL, and here you have to paste that particular link, and lastly click on the insert image. This will insert a image in the Excel sheet, or that is in the Google sheet, that is inserted. We will maximize the size of this for getting the size proper size. So this is nothing but the x square divided by x cube. Same for insertion in the slide, we have to go to the insert option. In the insert we have the option as the image, and here you have to select the by URL. In by URL you have to insert that URL and click on the insert. So this will be inserted here. As according to your need you can use this particular symbol. Same for the document, insert image by URL, paste here and insert, and this image will be pasted on your Word document. This is an image, so we cannot change anything here. So for making the change you have to go to the our add-on, that is to the Hypatia Create. This is a mathematical formula we had created. We can create any type of the physics formula or the chemistry formula with the help of this Hypatia. So we are going to create one chemistry formula, that is H2O. Firstly H2O, to go to the suffix, and so H capital we can directly type with the help of the keyboard, and 2 2 that is comes as the power. So we are going to the x square. Here we are getting to the, this is subscript. So H2, to go to the O, click right side and select this capital O, this is H2O. Same process, create a link. When we click on the create a link, where URL will be copied. Next step we have to go to our Google form. In this we have to insert this. Suppose we are inserting a one more question, and here we have to go to this image option, and in the image option we have to first select the buy URL, and here you have to paste the particular link which is copied. And when this particular image appeared here, that after this only you have to click on the insert image option. This means that this particular image which you have selected, this will be inserted here. For same, we can give the number of options for this. Here we will get the image option through which we can insert the image option. Just like we are going to insert this right now, H2O option here, H2O insert. We will see the preview of this. Initially, this first option is question number 1, x square divided by y cube, and first option is H2O. Same for this. This is the simple trick through which we can insert any type of the formula in the Google form, in your Google sheet, in your Excel sheet, or in the your Google Docs. Thank you very much for watching.